Hello and welcome. Welcome to How Do I Start a Data Career in the 2020s? You will get actionable support for finding a first or second role in data analytics, data science, data engineering, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and natural language processing in just 10 minutes. Practitioners have developed the validated CV for you. The AI Guild has 1,000 plus members from entry level to lead and CXO. We are international, diverse, and committed to the highest quality standards for technical competence, ethical behavior, business impact, and benefits to society. In 2020, the AI Guild ran public online events with more than 3,000 participants and a special series with the Max Planck Society and other research institutions. We are bundling our insights to deliver a better and faster solution for you. For a moment, let's go back in time. In 2012, data scientist was declared the sexiest job of the 21st century. DJ Patil and Thomas Davenport had good reasons for touting this new role, and the developments have been exciting. However, to get an excellent first role, you need a sense of the next 10 years. What do the 2020s hold? By 2020, we were 500,000 practitioners. Less than 1% are AI researchers. So, 99% are advancing AI adoption in modeling, engineering, product, and infrastructure. Data roles are more differentiated. For example, companies differentiate between data analysts and data scientists. As a data analyst, you handle data. You produce reports, visualizations, and dashboards that are relevant to the business. As a data scientist, you are expected to use machine learning algorithms for modeling. The difference is that the data analyst uses data to help humans make decisions, whereas the data scientist helps to automate some of those decisions. However, the data economy is not about AI only. There are more roles requiring data literacy. If you have been handling data and have experience in Python or R already, then a data career in AI is within your reach. If you do not have prior programming experience, you need to know that there are many more data roles that do not require programming skills. These data roles are equally crucial, as companies must become data literate. Let's look at handling your challenges at entry level. Most issues have been reported again and again. Here are some suggestions for you. 1. If job seekers often struggle to frame their skill set, how do you present your technical and business skills? 2. If you have little or no relevant industry experience, then how do you emphasize your data experience? 3. If it is sometimes more sensible for companies to upskill current employees to machine learning because of their domain experience, in which industry would you gladly accept an entry-level role? 4. If most employers still are not good at hiring matching talent, how do you clarify what you are looking for? You may want to watch out for career transition costs. Certificate courses cost money, and boot camps are expensive. We know talented candidates that have searched for up to a year after completing the coursework. Here is what you need to keep in mind. To start a data career, you need to achieve 2 things. 1. Get invited by companies to an interview regularly. 2. Get through the interview process and secure an offer. Better, 2 offers to have some bargaining power. As the goal is interviews, you may want to find out how to reduce your search cost and time. Here are 3 questions for you. 1. Which data role is your best choice? 2. At what type of company do you want to work? 3. Which domain or industry is yours? And we have some ideas for addressing the questions. Use online information and events, for example, at datacareer.eu. Discuss your strategy with friends and colleagues, perhaps also with your fellow practitioners in the AI Guild. Use the AI Guild to validate your CV and search strategy. Why are those questions important? Your skills and ambition must match the data role you want. For example, if you have experience processing data but little or no experience with ML algorithms, then the best and fastest route likely is a role as an analyst or engineer. Please be aware that companies often need analysts and engineers more urgently than data scientists. Also, engineers may get paid more. Engineering roles typically are accessible to candidates with prior experience, for example in IT, data processing, and computational science disciplines. So, which data role is your best choice? To be successful in your first role, It matters which type of company you are working at. Do you prefer the relative security of corporate jobs? Perhaps you want to work in a startup. Have you considered consultancies? If you know people working in these firms, you can speak to them about the workplace. The clearer you are about which type of company works for you, the more likely you will be successful. 10 years ago, data professionals often crossed over from one domain to the next. Entry barriers were low. A computational biologist could get hired by an autonomous driving company for her competence in image processing. As data analytics and machine learning are productionized, specialization increases. Disease detection from medical images is very different from fraud detection in financial data. If you can articulate where you see your professional future, it sets you on a viable career path. If you like, get support from the AI Guild. The validated CV gets attention from hiring managers and human resources. We vet your technical skills and data experience and advise on a matching data role and industry. You get a one-on-one interview and writing support. The validated CV carries the AI Guild imprimatur. Quality is important. Validating your CV is a public endorsement. Hence, the AI Guild cares about the quality because we want to enhance our reputation and not diminish it. We need the process to be transparent and can only validate CVs suitable for a data career. You can explore the validated CV with no risk. To land the best job you can, pay with your first salary after getting hired. The fee is €357. Pay up front and save 33% by paying €238 only. Until the end of the first interview, you can request a full refund at any time. Why have a validated CV? We expect to reduce your search time by half or more. Please avoid being unemployed. Also, you reduce your out-of-pocket expenses and opportunity costs by 90% or more. Only do online certificates if technical upskilling is essential for you. Decide for another degree, a boot camp, or similar only if you see the return on investment. Let's study the 4 essential elements of a validated CV. Technical skills. Your reader needs to see and understand your technical profile at a glance. Business and organization skills. Having the required technical skills is excellent. So do other candidates. Your next company is looking for someone that knows how to contribute to the business process and outcomes. Data experience. Your chance to shine by communicating in simple terms what kind of data you have handled to what effect. Search and mission statement. If you do this very well, you can get to yes in just 3 sentences. Yes, you get the interview. Technical skills. For addressing hiring managers and human resources, you have 2 possibilities. 1. Highlight your technical profile by choosing the best headlines representing your technical skills. 2. Impress by showing years of experience or indicating your level of confidence. Just listing your technical skills is not the best idea. You may believe that you are optimizing for search queries and keeping your options open. Yet, from a simple list, no clear profile emerges for the human reader. If you want attention and to avoid an early no, then the presentation of your technical skills must be convincing. Business skills. If technical skills get you considered, then the business skills get you invited. In this section on your CV, you go the extra mile by demonstrating your capacity for contributing to business outcomes. If you are transferring from academia, these are your transferable skills. Listing soft skills will not get you invited. You must demonstrate your skills. The best way to do this is by giving specific examples. Data experience. Your ability to process data is the foundation. Your experience matters for quality outcomes. The ability to communicate with stakeholders is essential too. You can shine if you have some original data projects, preferably on a repository. If you are in academia and your research was data-driven, make the most of it by providing a vignette describing your experience and for whom your work was valuable. Search and mission statement. If you have a professional search and mission statement on your CV and LinkedIn profile, you have the chance of convincing companies to give you an interview in 3 sentences. That's right, a remarkable statement is very compelling. So, how do you get a validated CV? The process is straightforward. You submit your current CV and use the personal feedback provided to write improved versions. Once the CV is approved, you finalize it. We deliver 2 one-on-one sessions to build your CV and provide further feedback by email or voice message. The AI Guild backs your CV is ready for interview. Let's summarize what you achieve. Independent feedback on your skills level and the best career choice for you. One-on-one sessions push you to produce the best possible CV. A validation by Europe's leading practitioner network makes your CV stand out. Get seen by 100+ hiring managers that are AI Guild members. Achieve more interviews for roles that you care about. If you like what you saw and heard, then do reduce your cost and search time. Get more relevant interviews and better offers. To start, please upload your current CV at datacareer.eu.